What's up, guys? Today we are making this lactose-free version of a turtle dove cheesecake. If you want to have all the milk in there, you can just substitute out, but I can't have dairy, so we're just going to take it out of here. So we're going to start by making our crust. So take graham crackers and you're going to grind them up, and then I did that in like a single serve cup, and then I moved it to my food processor and added in the sugar and the butter until it was nice and smooth like this. And then we're going to just transfer it to a spring form pan, and you're going to press the crust down into the pan. You don't want to press it super hard, but you do want it to be completely even around the edges and everything. So just kind of, spread it out. And then we're going to make our filling. So with our filling, I did the vegan cream cheese from Trader Joe's. If I'm being perfectly honest, this stuff on its own is absolutely disgusting. But in this cheesecake, it was delicious, and I think it was just the mixture of everything together. But I'm not going to lie, I would not suggest buying this like cream cheese just to eat on a bagel. It was gross. And then after that, we're going to add our coconut cream. We're going to add our salt, our vanilla, and then we're going to add our flour and our brown sugar. So once we put all those in the food processor, we're going to just blend it until it's smooth. And then it's still going to be like a little chunky with this, because then we're going to add in our eggs. So this is just lactose free. It's not fully dairy free. There's still going to be eggs in it, but if you have problems with milk like I do, this is going to help. So we're just going to blend it until we get this desired consistency that we want, which is going to be a super smooth consistency. And while you're like doing all of this, make sure you preheat your oven to 325. So we're just going to spread our filling onto the springform pan that has our crust in it. And then you're going to cover it, and we're going to cook it in the oven at 325 for 30 minutes. And then when you take it out, it's going to look like this, and you're going to let it sit outside for 3 hours in the cold or in your fridge. And then after that, we're just going to put pecans, butterscotch, chocolate chips, and drizzle it with caramel, and that's it. Honestly, so good. It wouldn't have been good with the vegan cream cheese by itself, but with it all mixed together, it was delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.